once again to another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. Here we're showcasing Unit 3 at 234 Marine Parade, Kingscliff. Here's how the unit presents from the street. Garage is at the front of the property, and as we step inside the property, it's had some partial renovations done, had a new floating floor installed. Going out the balcony, it's got ocean glimpses. Kitchen's been modernised. Upright stove recently installed. Main bedroom is good size, it's also got built-ins. Going up the hallway, we've got the second bedroom to the right, it's also got built-ins, as pictured. And main bathroom has a laundry bathroom combined, separate shower and separate toilet. Our final clip here is of the northern end of Marine Parade. You can see Kingscliff there in the far distance, about 2.5 kilometres away. And there's a unit block there, right opposite the beachfront, opposite the walking path that takes you right into town. If you'd like to inquire about this property and the viewing times, then please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888, email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au for more information about this property for lease. Are you thinking of moving to Kingscliff? Then a great resource for information about our town is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app is a directory of Kingscliff and has been produced by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals as a local business and community initiative. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to check out all that's offering Kingscliff, including dining, shopping, schools, removalists, services and events. Download the Kingscliff app free today in iTunes or Google Play, or by scanning the QR codes on your screen will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.